I'm still in that stage of, I'm looking forward to seeing it, I think. There's 5 of us in our family. So we moved here just under 2 years ago. It's this 4-bedroom house.
We spend about £130 a month on our energy bills. It has gone up a lot over the last few years.
Started off with some customer research through Santander, and then Santander contacted us to see whether we would be up for exploring whether a retrofit was possible.
So I thought it was going to be a lot longer and more involved. They're going to do it all in a week, which is amazing.
Hi, I've just got back from work and the guys from Octopus have been doing some amazing things this morning. They've got on with so much. They've just had all the equipment delivered and the heat pumps here as well. There it is in the background.
We've got a new battery install, which is amazing. So it's exciting to see how this can help us with zero bills.
So these solar panels are going to be going up on our roof probably today. Then they'll be getting energy from the sun and we'll be generating electricity, which is going to have a huge impact on our bills.
We had our first non-bill, knowing that the house is more energy efficient, increases the value of the house as well, and it means we've done something really positive to make this a good long-term house for us.
It's shown that it can work for normal families and it's not too good to be true.